watching Unflex's World.
Dear Mr. Prime Minister, Kanice was a friend, a daughter, could have been my sister. Can't you see? She could have been me. Words cannot explain the absolute depression and disdain that has swept over the land. I cannot understand the crime each and every time we have to worry about our lives, tell the men to stop killing our daughters, mothers, and wives. We are grateful for the COVID plans, but this crime rate is an issue. Divided we fall, united we stand. The corruption and the lawlessness, the tears and the stress is not what Jamaica is supposed to be about. We are supposed to be blessed. A land of possibility, a unique habitat, not a war zone full of gunshots. Jamaican people are tired of the pain. You claim there are solutions, but we see no change. I personally am sick of women being killed for sex. I'm scared and worried about who will be next. Is this the land we love, or is that just something we say? It seems like criminals keep getting their own way. Mr. Wholeness, enough is enough. Put the rapist in handcuffs. I won't sugarcoat anything. This is not a fantasy. Jamaica needs improvement. Wake up to reality. We see you implementing vaccination, but the crime factors need to be eliminated in this nation. Find the criminals. Let justice prevail. Punish the wicked, put them in jail. It cannot be a free-for-all any longer. If we stand up as a people, we will be stronger. 2021 is still a new year. Should the citizens be subjected to peace or fear? I am fed up. That's why I wrote this letter. I simply want Jamaica to be better. Stop violence against women. This is the message I'm trying to send. Get down to the root of crime, the evil and sin. Jamaica needs real love. Let that sink in. Commit this nation back to God, or we won't win. Sincerely, a Jamaican woman.